Here at the Sarpy County Fair, Jeff and I, we are going to fulfill a childhood dream today. And that is our first time going to a monster truck rally. We got the VIP package, so we're going to do a little meet and greet. We're going to experience monster trucks together for the first time. Walt and Maya from Any Gardening is coming. If you're not subscribed to them, do it now. They're bringing Luca, and I guess he already loves monster trucks. He's going to get to see him in person for the first time. I can't wait to see his reaction to it. Let's go show our tickets and get to this VIP section and meet and greet, and we're going to do a little ride along. Right, Jeff?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You made it.
Officially on the inside for VIP access at the Two Extreme Monster Truck Series at the Sarpy County Fairgrounds. What do you think, Jeff?
Super excited.
Were you fulfilling a childhood dream today? I'm pretty sure that's Luca, Walt. I'm not ignoring you. I think I just keep picking up the phone and your son keeps saying daddy. Hey, what's up, guys? How you doing, man? Yeah, awesome. This is our first monster truck show ever. How long have you been doing this?
Been driving 4 years now.
Yeah. Awesome. How can people find you on social?
On Instagram, it's Michael_Brister383. I'm Michael Brister, driver of the Hot Tamale monster truck. Please subscribe to Motor Droid.
All right,
awesome.
My man, dude.
Yeah, man.
What's going on? What's going on, bro?
Yeah, how do we do that with
What's up, Luca? You're good. You're good. What's up, Luca?
Luca, what's up?
How you doing, buddy? Hi, Maya.
Hi. Thank you. Oh, no, nothing.
How's it going?
All right, man. How y'all doing?
Good. Appreciate you.
All right.
This is our first monster truck show ever, dude.
What?
Ever. Yeah. We're in our 40s. Our kids are growing up. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Going
well,
nuts
see,
as a
I'm
kid.
the original Gravedigger guy. So
nice.
I created all the Gravedigger trucks.
Nice.
My whole family still drives. My kids.
Yeah.
I have 3 sons that drive. My daughter drives. Kids, they're right up the road.
Well, that's all I heard growing up was Gravedigger.
Yeah. They're about 3 hours from there at Arrowhead Stadium right now.
Hey, this would look way cooler if we all had a shirt.
I know.
I'm just joking.
I felt so bad.
No.
Yeah, I didn't even
I
realize.
had
No, I was into this. I don't really want it. And I was like a documentary about.
Can you just go get your picture taken with them? Kablam, we did.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Heck yeah, come on.
Nice.
Do you want to drive? Do you want to get on it?
Sorry, buddy.
It'll be fun. Well, I thought he was going to want to go. This is what he was excited for. And now he's backing out.
It's not as loud.
We're on deck. We're up next. We waited to go on Knucklehead over Redneck. Where you at?
It was in this moment that the Motor Droid boys had realized they reached their peak, their Everest. Nothing would ever be the same.
Yeah, Luca don't need to go on that. That's crazy. And look what else. Boom, bro. Shark bite.
Literally, my whole life has been tattoos all day.
And like, can't stop tattooing.
No, I love it.
Thinking about it.
But
at the same time, it is work.
Yeah.
It just doesn't feel like it.
Yeah.
So to be able to cut loose and just come out here and like first monster truck show we've ever seen, and we get to ride in one, that was pretty awesome.
Did not disappoint.
No.
I'm serious.
Like I didn't know what to expect, and it kicked ass. I'm ready to go to another one.
Yeah, me too. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along for the Too Extreme monster truck show with us.
Woo!
It was our first time. It was our first time. If you're going to be at any upcoming shows, let us know. We'll see you there.
I'm Michael Brister, driver of the Hot Tamale monster truck. Please subscribe to Motor Droid.
That's Walt in 10 years.